Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari don meet with APC governors for Aso Rock. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do one meeting with APC governors for Aso Rock sake of the APC convention wey go shele for March 26. The governors tok say dem dey united and ready to support anywhere where the party wan choose ogbonge leadership even without election.
The governors are united. The governors are unanimous in support of Mr. President. The governors are unanimous in the support of the caretaker committee. We thank the caretaker committee for what they have been doing. Naturally, there will be hiccups one day, but we have overcome them. And by God's grace, we will have a very, very successful and peaceful national convention.
For the meeting wey happen for secret, Oga Presido thank governors for the hard work wey the governors dey do to make sure say the election go well.
Mr. President appreciated the briefing and stated his gratitude for the work the governors have been doing in support of the party and preparation for the national convention.
Presido come do one meeting with David Umahi wey be the governor of Ebonyi State. For this meeting, Oga Presido tell Oga Umahi say im go visit Ebonyi State when the capital be Abakaliki and do small check for wetin the governor dey do for the state.
And I'm sure you'll be part of that visit to see what God has done with us in this 6 years plus. I love Mr. President, and I will carry out whatever instructions he gives to the letter, because he's a man that is very fair and he's a man that has the interests of this at heart.
Omo Aluke, Ajakaye, TMC TV News.